Redis has a built-in geospatial index that lets you store longitude and latitude for named members, then search for everything within a given radius, all without a separate database. A geospatial index answers questions like, which restaurants are within 5 kilometers of this user? You store each place once with GEO-ADD, and Redis handles all the distance math for you. Geospatial indexes are not a separate data structure, they are sorted sets in disguise. Redis encodes each longitude-latitude pair into a 52-bit Geohash integer and stores it as the score, so all sorted set commands work on the same key. GEO-ADD stores each city by longitude then latitude. GeoPos reads a coordinate back. GeoDist computes the distance between two members. GeoSearch finds everything within 200 kilometers of Palermo, sorted nearest first. The most common bug reviewers miss is swapped coordinates. GEO-ADD takes longitude before latitude, which is the opposite of most mapping APIs. Also flag any GEOSEARCH without a count limit on a large dataset, as it can return millions of results. Remember, longitude before latitude in GEO-ADD. Always cap your search results with count, and know that the underlying sorted set stores encoded geohashes, not human-readable coordinates.